x plus x all over x is equal to 2x. We have to find the value of x. Take solution. For us to answer this problem, we are going to start by simplifying what we have at the left hand side. X plus x gives us 2x all over x is equal to 2x, which can be expressed as 2x all over 1 as such. At this level, what we are going to do is we are going to perform cross multiplication. I know some of you will be tempted to say at this level 2x over x can be further simplified by saying 2x divided by x gives 2. If you do something as such, you will eliminate one of the solutions of this given problem. So you avoid performing any division. At this stage, you perform the cross multiplication, then 2x times 1 remains 2x is equal to, we put the equality sign, x times 2x, which is 2x squared. Then we are going to transfer 2x squared to the left hand side. 2x equals minus 2x squared is equal to 0. The two terms we have at the left hand side, you see that 2x is common. We can factor out 2x, then 2x times 1 remains 2x. 2x times negative x gives us negative 2x squared is equal to 0. For this product to be equal to 0, then either 2x is equal to 0, this, or 1 minus x is equal to 0. Then, dividing both sides by 2 here, x will be equal to 0, or here, transferring 1 to the right hand side, negative x will be equal to negative 1. Negative x equal to negative 1, multiplying both sides by negative 1 gives us x to be equal to 1. Let's verify the solutions. If we take the first one for x equal to 0, 0 plus 0 gives us 0. 0 divided by 0 is undefined. Therefore, x equal to 0 cannot be used as one of the solutions. If we take x as 1, 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 2 divided by 1 gives us 2. 2 times 1 gives us 2. You will notice that 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1. We are going to discard x equal to 0 because when you insert x equal to 0, this will give us 0 over 0, which is undefined. If you put x as 1, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 is simply equal to 2 over 1, which is 2. And 2 over 1 is the same as 2 times 1, which is 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, you leave your question at the comment section. Please like the video, share and subscribe.